Hi everyone, Gaga Joy, Gaga Joy's cooking. Well, today we're going to be making corn dog cornbread, and it's good. This one I can taste too, and I have used the beef breads, the Joshua beef bread. You can use any kind of wieners or sausage that you want to. About 10 ounces of cheese, cheddar cheese, 2 eggs, a cup and a half of milk. I'm using some chopped green chilies. Now you could put diced tomatoes, you can put corn, cream corn, anything like that. And a little bit of sriracha and a little bit of yellow mustard. My kids love stuff like this. Well, I tried with it. It's a cup and a half of milk, but I'm putting a cup of milk and about a half a cup of sour cream. I thought that would be good. And the chilies. Now remember, these are not hot. They just give it a good flavor. About a tablespoon of sriracha. This is hard for us to keep in. And about a tablespoon of mustard. And 2 eggs. And then I've got the oven on 400. Mix it up. I'm a white cornbread person, but I love these little boxes of the yellow. It's sort of sweet, and they just come in so handy. I usually have 4 on hand. Sometimes down to 2, but normally it's 4 because I use them in other different things. Now. And I sort of browned my wieners or the hot rots. I thought those would be better. And a big handful of cheese. Save some for the top. And doesn't this sound good? And so easy. Now I have put shortening all through my 13 by 9 pan here. My grandson is coming for lunch. He loves it. And also, there's always a little left over. Put the rest of your cheese on. Okay. Now it goes into a 400-degree oven for about 30 or 40 minutes. Well, I'll check it about 30.